Usebuyile uMusa Khawula. He has been released from jail. And yeah, guys, I don't know the full story yet. I will come back with an update of exactly what is happening. Is he out on bail? Is he out? Is he on house arrest? But ukubuya kwakhe usebuye ney'ndaba ey'ningi. Allegedly, kuyashiwo, not allegedly, I guess, but uSneh Mseleku is pregnant for the fourth time with that yellow bone boyfriend of hers. Like, there's a whole movement yokuthi mphoqeni ngqo esingaphansi sakhe ngoba ayugeli shame akasisebenzisi uyasirivitha. But anyways, that's not what I'm here to tell you guys today. I'm just here to tell you guys ukuthi igoti yethu ibuyile ney'ndaba sesizothola nice juicy stories as they come out.